Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to create the glass morphism effect, which is very trendy these days, in just a few clicks on our native platform Figma. So let's get started. Here we are in Figma and let's just quickly create a frame for us, which will be a normal frame like this. Now this is our background, so our background needs to be colorful, or there must be a color in the background to take the effect and make it look good. So first of all, I'm gonna color the background, so I am going for a dark background to have a better effect. Now this is a better color, 1F 1F triple 1F, and after that I'm going to add some really nice shapes here for the sake of the design. Now in this shape I'm going to add some colors using the plugin Web Gradients. Awesome plugin comes with a cluster of lot of colors mixed and merged with each other, and it just looks good. So I'm going to use this one today, and I'm just gonna go to effects and layer blur, and I am going to blur this one depending upon how much I want to blur it. So right now this is probably what we want. Now after that we will take a second frame, or we can take a rectangle and we'll draw a rectangle above this. Now this rectangle is going to be our card, so if you want to play with the edges, this is the time. I want the edges to be at the 17, so that's what I did. After that you need to go here, and in the color section you need to go on linear, and after that adjust it like this. Reduce the opacity here, increase the opacity here, not a lot of it. Now this is decent, and after that adjust things accordingly like this. This is probably our main stuff. After that we'll go to effects, and in effects we will add background blur. With background blur we can do the stuff we want. Now this is probably done. I'm going to adjust the shapes blur accordingly, like it can go on 0 as well, and the shape can come out or can stay there. The size of the shape is actually a bit big. Now I'll just duplicate the shape, change its position, and change the color. You can change the color according to your need or whatever you want to do with the color. Like I want it to be a nice combination of two colors, so I'll do exactly like that. This tends to do the job for me right now, so I am going for this one and this one. Now I'm holding both of them and grouping them, and it's bokeh. You can sort things out like this because this is not a simple task. You're gonna have a lot of bunch of things here on the frames or in other stuff, so you must sort things out and categorize them for your own sake. Now after that the effect is almost done, but we still lack some main finishing touches. Now I'm gonna go to stroke, select that shape, obviously go to stroke and add a stroke of a linear gradient which will be white from this side. Now you can play with this stuff here, and after that I'm going to do this. In this side it will reflect the color we are having inside. It can actually depend upon the color you are using, so I am just going to use it as it is. Now I will also decrease the actual thing. Now why we are doing this is because we are going to see where the light is coming from, or the light source, and according to the light source we will adjust our actual panel, which is why we are here. And this is probably it. This does the job, and it is very easy to create this effect on Figma, and it actually works out. Now you can see exactly how it looks right now, and if I do some customizations over here like this one goes here or here like this. Now this looks pretty well. Now you can see how good it looks. So this is that simple. You can just simply rewind the video, go back and see the steps, and after that do those things on your design. I hope you got the point, and now do share your work or whatever you have did with this effect with me on at P Designs, and also share a lot of awesome designs there. So if you want to check out, you can just simply go there. The link is in description, and you can follow me. I'm always ready for a follow back, and let's see what we can do together. So that is probably it for today's tutorial, and let's see how it works for you. Do share your designs with me on my Instagram handle, which is @pdesigns with a Z on it. I'll leave the link in the description.